Hi, my name is Havila. I'm a model and a beauty influencer. So when I first had my hair color, I really loved it. And now that it's grown out, I want to get rid of some of the brass and start with something new and fresh. Let's get started. So now we're going to do some prep work. I like to wear gloves to protect my hands, an old black t-shirt, and a towel. And I also like to apply coconut oil to my hairline to prevent any staining. So what you're gonna need is a bowl, a brush, a wide tooth comb, hair clips, ClairolProfessional Developer, and TrueColor. So as I mentioned before, I wanted to get rid of some of the brassy ends, so I'm going to apply a cool tone to the rest of the formula. Now that I applied the rest of the color, I'm going to let this process and I'm going to edit some photos and plan my next trip. So, as you guys can see, this is the finished result. Let me give you guys a 180 because it's that good. I absolutely love it. It feels super healthy, it's vibrant, I got my bounce back, and it just looks so great. I'm so happy. And you guys are gonna love it too.